In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Dawn theme, how to add social media icons to the announcement bar. By the end, your store will show clickable social icons right up top, so customers can find and follow you easily. Start inside your Shopify admin. From the online store area, open Themes, then choose Visit Theme Store. This takes you to Shopify's official theme catalog. We're working with the Dawn theme, so open its theme page. To keep your live site safe while you work, add a brand new copy of Dawn. Creating a fresh copy is a great habit because it lets you test changes without risking your published design. Head back to your themes list and open the theme editor for the new Dawn copy. You'll land on a preview of your storefront with the settings panel on the left. In the top bar or left panel, navigate to the announcement bar section. There, look for the option to manage social accounts. Clicking that link jumps you straight into Theme Settings for Social Media, which is where Dawn pulls the icons and links from. Now you'll see a series of fields for different platforms. Click the highlighted fields one by one and paste the full URLs to your profiles. For example, paste your Facebook page URL, your Instagram profile URL, your X, formerly Twitter profile, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and any others you actually use. Only the platforms you fill in will display as icons, so it's perfectly fine to leave the rest blank. A quick tip: always paste the complete link, starting with HTTPS, to avoid broken icons or redirects. Another tip: keep your brand handle consistent across platforms when possible. It makes your icons more recognizable and your store feel cohesive. As you add each URL, glance at the live preview to confirm the icons are appearing. Depending on your settings and the announcement bar layout, the icons may show immediately or after you close the social media panel. If you don't see them right away, don't worry. Finish entering your links, then we'll save and refresh. When you're done pasting links, click Save in the top right. Give it a second to publish the changes. Now refresh the theme preview and check the announcement bar. You should see the social media icons neatly aligned, ready to take visitors to your profiles in a new tab. That's it. You've safely added social icons to the announcement bar using a duplicate of Dawn, set the links in one place, and saved your work. If you ever need to update a profile, return to Theme Settings, Social Media, adjust the URL, and save.